Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. Welcome back to AWS DevOps Lokeshtech YouTube channel. So in previous class we have discussed about Kafka and theory. So how we have correlated with the Uber and in real time so e-commerce websites how this Kafka architecture is working, right? So it is very important actually. So finding locations, okay, and messaging, producing messages, okay, finding locations, and also payments and invoices, receiving invoices, that all that process we can able to use Kafka, because Kafka is very high level architecture. So in Uber, Netflix, all these areas we are using Kafka. So we'll more discuss about Kafka, and today's class we are going to install how we have to install Kafka in our Ubuntu machine, and I'll show you how to download, how to install. Okay. So in this, before going to install, I just would like to mention so what kind of tools I'm using for installing Kafka. So I'm going to take Rancher and Ubuntu, okay, on top of Rancher. So I'm just pulling image from Docker Hub. So on top of Docker, this containers will work, okay, Kafka related containers, okay. This is what I'm going to use. So next, this is actually Kafka ecosystem for Uber. This is for understanding purpose I just mentioned here. If you can see here, this data producers, okay, see, rider app, driver app, API services, GPS logs, map services. This is called a data producers. These data producers are connecting with the Kafka, okay, this Kafka architecture, okay. After that, this Kafka is connecting with the search, ELK, storm, and samja. And these four are connected with the mobile app, debugging, real-time fast analysis, alert dashboard, okay. Also Kafka is connecting with the Hadoop, okay. And this Hadoop is connected with Vertica, and Hadoop is connected with the application data science, ad hoc exploration, ad hoc commands. In AML we have seen, right? And analytical reporting. So background to run Uber, okay. So there are a lot of big architecture is there, okay, big infrastructure is there, okay. So this is, we can take a Kafka is a big real time uh, application for Uber, okay. So to make smooth run, okay, to entire process to move smooth run, Kafka really working very hard in background, okay. So we'll see, next what we have to do is we'll see the installation steps for Kafka, right? So this is actually Kafka official website. So we can download Kafka from here. You can see this, right? Download Kafka. If your machine is Windows, you can take it from here, okay. And if your machine is Ubuntu or Linux related, you can take it from here. If you click here, it is moving to Docker Hub. You see this? So directly it is giving latest version 3.90, okay. So you can keep it like this. And also I just would like to launch my machines. So I'm using Rancher, okay. On top of Rancher, my Ubuntu is working actually. So next class I will also will let you know, and I will explain how to launch Rancher cluster on top of this Ubuntu, how this synchronizing is happening. So how Docker is working on top of Rancher. all these things. So even OpenShift also I have worked on Rancher also. Okay. See this? Master and cluster, master and control plane. Okay. See, these are all running. Okay. Clinic app. This I have done for Kubernetes. Okay. And also same Rancher will be going to use for this Kafka cluster. Okay. All right. Okay. That will be running background. That's okay. I will minimize this and I'll go for Docker Hub. This is Docker Hub. I want to mention here Kafka, Apache Kafka. Okay. I clearly prepared a well PowerPoint presentation for every step. Okay. This will be very much useful for you guys. You can see on top of your screen one by one, step by step process you can able to do. Okay. Everything I will show you. I can keep in front of you. Okay. I will put in front of you. So then you can able to follow step by step process. All right. So these are all. Actually, I have taken too much time for preparing this. Okay. It took lot time for preparing this. It is really good document for you guys. Definitely it will helpful for installing Kafka. Entire Kafka videos I am going to do. So this is first video for installation. So then after one by one step by step process, how to create an event, how to create okay producer, how to create a consumer, okay, how these are connecting and how we have to communicate each other, consumer to producer, producer to consumer, how these are communicating each other. Okay, how topic we need to create, how event we need to create, everything will be explained in upcoming videos. So entire Kafka will be given to you. Okay, so this in this class my complete focus is on installation. Okay, this is completely dedicated for installation Kafka. All right, so I want to, this is actually my mission. Okay, so we can follow this document clearly. I already done. See this, my name. After finishing, after getting success only, I'm just bringing in front of you guys so you can follow without any hesitation. Okay, so this is official document. Okay, if you click here it will take it to this blog. Okay, all right, so there are a lot of versions are there, 3.8, 3.70, all this. Okay, if you want you can use 3.70 also. Yes, this is Kafka 3.7 because this is standard. Okay, stable version. Okay, all right, so next, so that's fine, let us move. So and Docker Hub, in Docker Hub we'll see Apache Kafka. So I'll try to take it because this document will definitely will helpful for me. Okay, it will give, it will save my time. Okay, all right, so I will use this document here. Okay, this is Apache Kafka image. Okay, you can pull from here. Okay, all right, next let us do one by one. Okay, so fine, so this is actually Docker image, Kafka image 3.70, right? So if you see overview, you can see entire, you can able to read here what is Kafka. Apache Kafka is open source event streaming platform used to collect, process, store and integrate data scale in real time. It powers numerous use case including stream processing, data integration, okay, sub messaging, etc. Okay. Kafka was originally developed at LinkedIn, was open sourced in 2011. So here stated clearly everything. Okay. So you can see step by step for installation it has given clearly, right? We can also follow entire thing, same process. Okay. Let us do. So if you click on tags, you see different versions. Okay. They have released lot number of versions, latest versions, and we'll go for 3.7 stable version. Okay, 3.70 stable version, this one. All right, so this one you can take copy. Okay, so now docker pull the same one, copy here. Okay, go to your machine here. Just simply I just want to check whether previously any containers are running on my previous containers. Docker ps -a. Yeah, previous something Kafka is running. No, it's not running, but it is there. I want to remove this. Control L. Docker ps. Is there anything running? Nothing is running here. And I want to run delete also previous one. I just want to check. Docker ps -a means hide it in containers and images. You can see. So this container is there. I want to delete previous one. Okay. Docker rm this container id copy paste remove. Again just run the command, sorry, this command. So you see here again these three are also is there. These are all we need to delete. Docker remove. At a time I want to delete, so I don't want to waste time, right? This one, take a space, again copy and paste here, again take space, copy container, again take space and enter. You deleted at a time 3, right? Let's clear the screen and I'll try to run. See this? Nothing, no containers are there related to any Kafka. Okay. Docker network. So I don't want network now so far. So this is what. So it clearly stated nothing is there here now. So now I just want to take this image. Okay, copy and you paste here. Docker pull Apache Kafka 3.7.0. Right. Enter. Yes. You got it right? All right. Next. Now Docker images. So Kafka images are also is there. Okay, yes. Other images are there 10 months ago. So I just want to remove this also. Docker rmi -f and this image id. This is previous one, guys. I don't want to uh, club and confuse. I just want to make it everything clear. After that we will do this. Okay, deleted. Control L. That is for clear your screen. Docker images, right? Enter. Yes, nothing is there. This is different images. That's okay. It doesn't affect any our work. All right, so then next I want to take the image. Now you run this. So it will run entire, it will pull entire image from Docker Hub. You clear? So I want to make it big one. You can see better view. All right. Yeah, let this pull. So it depends upon your internet speed. Okay, that's fine. All right, so now you can check Docker images. Yes, this one Apache Kafka 3.7.0 and 13, that is okay. Someone has pushed this image 13 months ago. Just now we have pulled this image. That's fine. Next, let us follow. After pulling the image, you check the images also, right? So I want to create a container using Kafka Apache. Okay. So this same image, using that image, Docker image. This is actually Docker image. On top of this Docker image, I want to create a container. You understood? In our previous Docker classes, so we have clearly learned, right? So I will again, this is actually right moment and topic has came. So that is the reason we can get, so we can able to discuss here also, right? So this is actually, this is Apache Kafka image. Okay, this is image. We pulled actually, we pulled this image from Docker Hub. Okay, so on top of where, how this image got, it got from Docker Hub. Okay, on top of this image, we can create a container. This container called Kafka. Something name I'll give. Kafka name this container. Inside this container, we will run applications. Okay, this is container. Okay, so if you want to create, you can create a lot of containers. Yes, but if you want, you can use whatever you want. Numbers: one container, one container, two container, three container, four. But this image, how we got this image? We have actually pulled this image from Docker Hub. That's what this image. You understood? On top of this image, we have to create a container, which means using this image, we need to create a container. That's it. Now we are going to do that, right? So Docker run, excuse me, one second. Yes, this one. Docker run -d. D means test mode. Okay. -d -p. Okay, P means port. Which port we have to use? Let's see. Yes, you see this? To create a topic to run that server, so we need port is 9092. So this is what, right? I know already, but I want to show you. That's why I just opened this document. If you go to get started and quick start, here you can get every step-by-step process to create, to install Apache Kafka. Okay. So what was the port? 9092. 9092. Yes. So, and you need to give the that container name, right? Name is Kafka. Container name is Kafka. So you are creating this container using this image. Simple. You need to keep. Let us check again. See, Docker run -d in the test mode and P for port to export this port 9092. Okay. So incoming and outgoing, correct? 9092, right? For proxy, right? And name, see, name is Kafka. You want to keep, you can change the name. Your wish that I want to give a valid name. That's why I'm just keeping Kafka. And this image, this image has been pulled from Docker Hub. That's it. Enter. See, so it is pulling. Okay. So you did not, this did not find any image earlier. That's why. And again, it is pulling and it is trying to create a container on top of that Apache Kafka, right? So Docker is actually very beautiful technology. Okay, that's most probably if you want to learn Kubernetes, Docker is actually prerequisite. If you are very much good at Docker, so you can play with Kubernetes, OpenShift, and Kafka, all those, right? Yeah, it is pulling. It's done, right? Now we see containers. Docker. What are the commands for if you want to find the images? Sorry, yes, images. You can use Docker images, right? But containers, Docker contain containers ls. Okay, s is not there. Docker container ls. You see? Okay. So if you want to see Docker hided one hyphen a, so which is running container. Okay, this is hided one, which means it is not running. So hyphen a means all. Okay, all right. So if you want to see Docker, control C, Docker ps, Docker 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 ps. See, and you can also get containers from here also, which is ps means process, which means Docker is currently whatever it is running, so it will show Docker ps hyphen a, same. So these two commands we can able to use. Docker container, okay, Docker container, enter. Sorry, ls I forgot. Docker container ls, you see, and Docker ps, both are same commands. Okay, if you want to see all hyphen a, okay, if you want to see all with this container ls hyphen a, you see this, these two commands working for same result. Okay, same operation, right? That's good. I hope you learned good one, right? Right, anyways, so we got image and container, right? So now we need to run that we need to execute that container, which means we need to go inside the container. Okay, Docker ps is actually currently it is running, that's fine, but we need to go inside the container. How? We need to go inside the container. Docker container, one second, struct, yeah, Docker container exec means execution hyphen it, interactive terminal mode. Okay, and Kafka means container name. One second again, this is actual name. Okay, yeah, got it. Kafka, and you need to mention bin bash psh. You see, go, you have, where you are currently, you are in inside of container ls. See, these are all system files related to your container. So you are in different mission, not in Lokesh Kumar, right? Lokesh mission was filled with a green color, and this container is with a different username. Okay, this container name is different, right? So you see this container id cb1, the same cb1 is there, so you are inside of container, right? So next, so now we have, now we came inside. Let's go inside this cd options, cd opt, cd slash opt, enter. Okay, ls, see this kafka and java. Okay, so we'll see the what kind of files are there in this kafka. Cd kafka, all files will be there related to kafka ls. Okay, config kafka.js, libraries, licenses, logs, side docs, etc, etc. Okay, so now, so go inside bin, cd bin, enter ls, all configuration related, kafka related all configuration files you see. So we'll see distributed, yes, distributed. Okay, next to consumer, producer, groups. Okay, and storage. Okay, zookeeper, all configuration along with, while you are installing, means while you are pulling the image from kafka, so you got all those, and also you created a container on top of that. That's why all the file you can see, right? These are all imported files. Okay, all right. So next, so yeah, that's fine. Okay, so let's check. So now I want to see, first one is topics.sh. Okay, first we need to create the topics first. So in topics, so in theory, you might have heard about this topics events, right? So we need to follow the same. So in theory also, while I'm explaining, we have to create the topics. Okay, so notification related and all we have seen, right? So first we need to create a topic. That topic, so let's see, by taking help from this, using help, we'll see what are the help, what kind of help we'll get, right? See this. So for to create topic, okay, so we can create the topic, we can delete the topic, we can do configuration, okay, we can describe the topic, okay, and exit also, topic id if you want to see. So these comments has been given actually. Okay, using this comments we can able to take also help from manual. All right, right, that's fine. Next, so this is actually official documentation I have taken it from. Okay, so I will tell you this. So Kafka is a distributed event streaming platform that let you read, write, store, and process events. Okay, also called records or messages in the documentation across many missions. Across the many missions, so it will distribute messages. Okay, it will distribute information. Okay, mission to mission. multi machines we can use. Okay, so for example, events are payment transactions, geolocation updates from mobile phones, shipping order, sensor measurements from IoT, Internet of Things, and devices or medical equipment, and such more, much more. Anyways, so Uber is actually good example for this Kafka. So for example, Uber driver will be stay but sometime one location, sometime location two, sometime other location. They will keep on moving the location, right? So that kind of information should be taken by the device, right? Okay, that information should go to office. That information has to be displayed to these consumers also, right? Which means those who want to take a ride. So this information within fraction of seconds it will move from here and there, here and there. Okay, the management operations team need to coordinate between the driver and also rider. So that is the reason to how this communication is happening. We'll see. Okay, these events are organized and stored in topics. Yes. So whatever the events in the sense like messages, records, documentations. Okay, for example, Uber driver is chatting with the rider. So then this information to be stored. Okay, that where it will store in topics. Okay, and very simplified, a topic is a similar a folder in a file system, and that events are the files in the folder. That's it. It's simple to understand. Next, so we need to go this official document. Okay, so this is the document. Okay, how to create a topic store in your events. This is a first step for us. Okay, so whatever I mentioned on presentation, the same I have taken from here itself. I am following official documents only. Okay, so let's create a topic. So here you see kafka-topics.sh, which is taken from, I already mentioned earlier. So from here topics will be there. So can anyone observe here? Where is the topic? Yeah, see this topics. So this will take from here, this configuration file, kafka-topics.sh. Okay, and you are creating name called topic. Okay, quick start events and bootstrap-server and localhost 9092 port. Okay, this port already given to that container. So we need to communicate with localhost to container, right? So that's fine. So yes, excuse me, Control L for clear the screen. Okay, enter. Okay, excuse me, I'm sorry. So I want to use this. Okay, see this. Okay, and now see this created topic, quick start events. Okay, this is a topic name, quick start events. Okay, okay, all right, so that's fine. So I want to create it with a different name. Excuse me. excuse me again. Okay, so with the different name my topic. Okay, so let us take this, copy, see this. Yes, also created my topic, quick start events, and also my topic. Two we have created. Okay, this is one topic name, other one is my topic. Okay, fine, that's good. Okay, so now I want to check. You see this entire command, Kafka topics, this is configuration file. From here itself, by taking reference, bootstrap server we are using, and localhost, it is communicating with the port 9092, and we are creating a topic. We are creating, this is actually command, topic name is my topic. So right. So what we need to do, so we need to check what kind of topics we have created. Hyphen list, enter. Yes, my topic and quick start event has been created. Got it, right? So I need to describe my topic. So I want to go inside what is there inside. I just want to describe it. So use the same command. Need to mention hyphen describe. Excuse me, because it doesn't allow two commands. So it should remove hyphen list. It. Yes. So I will try to run again because it will, we can able to see properly. You see partitions. This is for related quick start events. This is related to my topic. This is actually my topic is one topic. This is other topic which is name called quick start events. In this my topic, you can see partitions are 0, leader is 1, replicas are 1, is are 1, elr something they have given. Okay, so you can see leader is actually one leader will be there. That leader, if in a group in our companies you might see, so team lead will be there, right? The team lead always will coordinate with the junior developers, senior developers, associates, whatever. Okay, so he will always coordinate. So he will actually kind of producer, so he will coordinate with the consumers like that. So in same way, in this topic also we have given partitions are 0, leaders are 1, replicas 1, something like this. All right. Next, I want to check. Okay, so yeah, one sec. Okay, that's fine. I think we need to move with this. All right. So now, so we have seen this topic related description, and after that, so we are going to create Kafka console. So which means I just want to go and check the document, official document. So this is official documents. We have seen, we have created using this. This is actually command. Using this command, we have created a topic, right? That has been done. So once after that, we have verified with it. So same, we got like this, right? And next, so the other one is we need to write some events to topic. So a Kafka client communicates with the Kafka broker via network for writing events. Okay. So once received, the broker will store events in the durable and fault tolerant manner for as long as needed, even forever. So we need to run this. Okay. See this using producer.sh. This is configuration file, and topic is quick start event. This is a name, and bootstrap is, it is a server which is using, and localhost, this is for it will communicate with the localhost to our image or container, you can say, right? That is for, let's see. So yeah, next, right? So let us create our name, our own name. Okay, so I will see here, if you can understand Kafka, this is a path. Where it is, this is the path. It will find the configuration file related to producer related. Okay, and bootstrap server is mentioned common. This is for common every this bootstrap server localhost 92 is common. This name is, if you want to change name also, you can use this also. And this, if you want to talk to the producer, you need to mention it, right? Producer, what he will do in the movies, for example, in the movies, producer will always try to give money. He will distribute the money with the different various departments. Okay, he will coordinate with here and there, here and there, here and there, how is going on, what is going on, all those things. He will take entire movie, will take care entire movie, all operations. Okay, producer is main. Okay, now we are creating one producer. After that we'll create a one consumer. They will talk each other. That's how. So my, I'm just giving topic name is my topic. Okay, and already topic has been created, right? The same topic which I am using here in this producer. So which means we are communicating these two. Enter. Yes, we got it. So yes, hi, welcome. This is what I have given. Some message. That's okay. And now we can take other terminal, right? So I will mention here location 1, location 2, location 3. Location 1, location 2. You can imagine that we are mentioning some locations entire across the Hyderabad or some other your city. Okay, they will mention entire location in their records. Okay, location, which means you just compare with a Uber. Okay, location 3. I have given like this. You understood? Okay. Now rider can able to give the information. I am at location 1, 2, 3, something like this. Okay. So now take a duplicate tab. Okay. So need to communicate, right? I need other tab. Ubuntu mission I am taking again. Okay. In this mission I need to talk to that. So I need to use this mission. So now what we need to do is, so now again I need to enter inside that because we are outside, right? So I need to start docker exec -it. So again, because I'm using this, excuse me. So first of all, what should I do is docker images. I need to check this first. Docker containers, docker container ls. Okay, so currently running this one, right? We need to use this one. Okay, docker container. So first we need to yeah, first we need to execute info terminal, right? Yes, correct. Docker execution -it with this. We need to go inside the container, right? Bin bash, right? We are inside, right? So again, so we need to go that particular location where configuration files are. Example cd, okay, opt, next kafka, sorry, excuse me, kafka, and if you go inside ls, right, you need to go bin cd bin, enter ls. All these configuration files are there. Is it right? Yes. So we are in the location. Okay. So now we need to create a customer consumer terminal too. That's okay. I already done this. So you see here in this we have seen topic. Okay. Where is the topic? Consumer is there, producer is there. Producer already we have created. Okay, consumer we need to create, and topic also I have shown earlier. Yes, this one topic also is there. So now we need to create a consumer to talk producer. So this we'll use this command. Where is that? Yes, this one, to read the event where it is in producer, right? To read that event we need to create a consumer. So example, if I can say that I want to keep like this. Yeah, and the other one is this one, right? So I will keep like this. Yeah, so I want to make separate. This is second terminal ter. You can make it like this, and this is first terminal. Okay, you can keep like this. So now this is actually producer. Okay, we have used this command, producer command, right? So using this producer, so we have connected with the server with the so and so port using some topic name. Already created topic is there, that using that topic, so we are trying to connect with it. So here what we are doing, we need to talk to, first we need to go with the consumer. Just take copy entire all these things. Excuse me, I don't know, just copy. So copy this and try to paste here. So this is actual official image. Okay, so here you see this is consumer and topic is something name, and from beginning, from starting onwards, nothing else it is. From beginning, whatever the information that we have produced by the producer, that information should be displayed by using this. From beginning it will get. Bootstrap server is there and connecting with this port, nothing is there, right? So just simply mentioned here, and we have mentioned other thing, Kafka, this consumer, bootstrap server, localhost, and topic is my topic, because already using topic, created topic I am mentioning here. Okay, and from beginning you can mention here. Here also you can keep, middle also you can keep. Don't confuse. You can keep anywhere. Enter. Oh, excuse me. Sorry. Unnecessary dot. Enter. So that's why you just be very much careful. Spelling mistakes, extra dots, etc. etc. Right? So now, yeah, you see, hi, welcome. You got location 1, location 2, location 3. So producer means producer actually given location 1, location 2, location 3. These locations has been reached to consumer. Consumer, producer is actually company candidate. Consumer means utilizing candidate. So they can see whatever. So which means this how the communication is following, right? Communication is going like this, communicating each other. That's right. Next, all right. So you see this again we need to write more location. You see directly 4 there. You should, it should be displayed location 5, which means like this. Okay, so if rider, for suppose if driver is moving like this continuously, location 6, he is in, currently Uber driver is at location 6. Okay, so it will display to same location to this consumer, which means those who are using Uber. So consumers means riders, you can say those who are utilizing the service. So you can mention here location is high tech city. So he's at currently high tech city. That high tech city location will be, the consumers can able to see that. So now currently Madhapur. Yes. So whatever spelling mistake doesn't matter. Okay, next Miapur. See, location continuously changing. So which means that same location is appearing here. And LB Nagar. Okay. So now he is in Hyderabad. Okay. So Hyderabad location and Bangalore. Yes. Bangalore location. Chennai. Next Delhi. Yes. So wherever he is moving, that able to matching. Okay. It matters about the frequency and the radiation. Sorry. Okay. The radius. I'm sorry. That radius matters, but that's okay. I'm just, for example, I just mentioned all the other areas. But within the premises, Hyderabad premises, whatever wherever he is moving, so that able to see the consumers. Correct. So this is good example. You can say Uber. You compare with the Uber, right? So this is actually one small statement. So if you don't use from the beginning in the consumer, so rider older data will not be updated. Latest only will be displayed. Latest only will be displayed. If you don't use beginning, so what will happen is it will not show entire data. So earlier, so before launching this second terminal, so we also given hi, welcome and location 1 and location 2. But whenever I launched this a second terminal along with the previous data also we got, right? Same way. That's what he is telling. Nothing else. Okay. So again try to take terminal 3. Okay. So if you want to delete this, you can able to delete with this command. So if you want to delete the topic, for example, exit. How to exit? If you want to exit from terminal 1, so how to exit? Simple. Control C. Yes. So how many topics are there we have? So list, go for list. Yeah, 1 second. Describe hyphen list. You see these are all quick events, my topics. So these two are there, right? Two topics. I want to delete one topic. Okay. See, I want to delete my topic. Enter. kafka-topics.sh bootstrap-server localhost 9092 delete my topic. That was good. So delete option is there. delete, this is there. That's fine. Somewhere we did mistake. opt kafka bin kafka-topics.sh bootstrap server localhost 9092 my topic. Delete my topic. Maybe something was wrong. 1 second. Yes. Control C. Oh, there was little mistake happened. Delete topic. Sorry. What is the topic name? My topic. Huh? Again, it's getting mistake. Okay, error, some error. iPhone topic. Okay, let me ask chat GPT, because that will save my time. That's what main purpose of that only. Okay, and please correct below command. Okay, so whenever you need only that, at that time only you need to delete, you utilize this service. Otherwise, don't depend on ChatGPT always. All right. So this is the one. What is the issue? Added hyphen topic. Okay, that's what I got. I got it. I got it. Control C. Okay, now let's compare with it. So bootstrap, localhost, everything is there. Hyphen delete is there. Okay, I forgot hyphen topic. Enter. Now it will be deleted. See, you see this error here in consumer. In consumer also, it is telling that it is stating logs. Okay. Error in fetch for partition, which means it got deleted. Understood? So let's try to check list. Enter. My topic is there still. I will ask again. ChatGPT. Okay, so I need to enable all these things, not required. Okay, okay, it is there. And so I will use okay. Sometimes it happens. Stop. We need to do stop first. Let's stop. Yeah, it exists. You got it right. Everything is cleared, and you see the logs also. Okay, so it got stopped. Let's again try to run that command. So I will ask again ChatGPT if there is an issue. Okay. So it's got deleted and it's exited. So let's see, try to run this. Yeah, it's deleted, right? That's fine. So let me try to run this. Maybe it doesn't works because we are not in the container. Yeah, yeah, that's no such directory. And let me check here, docker ps. No, nothing. No container is running. Docker ps hyphen a. Yeah, it is there, but it is not working. Which means docker exec hyphen it, and this where is that apache bin bash. 1 second. The spelling mistakes are too danger, guys. See, exec it was. So here daemon. Okay, okay, fine. So all right, that's fine. So everything is clear. Okay, so here I'll check here list, control C, ps docker ps hyphen a, right? Okay, docker start. Where is that? Yeah, this one. First we need to start, right? Yeah, it started. Docker exec hyphen it, and need to use this container id and bin bash. Enter. It's working fine. All right, so next what you need to do is you need to check the list and topics, right? So I'm just repeating everything, you don't need to follow, just I'm just going with it. Okay. Yeah, it is there. That's fine. Anyways, I will check. I will delete it. The same command only. Okay, that's fine. We need to stop this. Then automatically it will stop. Okay. And I'll check this official document also. Let's me check here. Let me check here. Delete. Okay. So this one actually terminate Kafka environment. This one actually, but not specially not given for topics. Okay, that's fine. Anyways, doesn't affect anything. All right. So that's fine, guys. This is all about installation, and also we have created topics and events. Correct. The first topic is actually installation. Okay, we have installed Kafka, and also we have seen how to create the topics, events, and producer and consumer, and we have seen the communication between producer and consumer, right? Thank you for watching my channel, AWS DevOps Lokeshtech, and I'll continue the same, and useful topics, I'll bring useful topics in front of you. So kindly share and subscribe my channel, and like, just hit like button. It will reach more people, then it will be useful for me, and it will be big motivation for me. So I will continue with the technology. Definitely I will continue all the technology and DevOps. Thank you so much. Thanks for joining. Take care. Bye bye.